Yeah. Yeah, Kiona King. Monada. Music. Yeah.
Manager one need.
Woman need.
Oza Nkupi one need.
Manager woman liyabatsiba South Africa ka mka babone ha o sana re bathalose le babone ka moka. So today ke last day ya ke gore ke first day ya last day.
First day
ya last day. Make sure everyone who was sorted. Ro thusha batho King Nada Music yo thusha batho. I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned. King Nada Music. Hey. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in the midst of Zanin. We're about to begin with our campaign of buying everything these street vendors are selling. We don't know what is it that we're gonna do with them, but we're gonna go buy them. It's nice here in King Nada Music, right? I'll update you and you're gonna see everything. King Nada Music has arrived, so we're gonna start with the campaign of buying everything that these women are selling in the streets. And this is the first vlog we're starting with. So this first women we're gonna go approach and ask how much is hair stock, and we take everything. So guys, yeah, this is everyone here, Dr. Rackzen and everyone else. So, yeah, this is the whole crew here. Everyone is here, and we are still at it. Looking this side is the KMM crew.
I'm not Asian. I beg you, take a move. I gotta get a move.
Yeah, take it. Take it. Take it, guys. Amazing. Still on this tip of buying everything these women are selling in the streets. We are not done yet. This is still the beginning. So when we see a woman selling whatever that she's selling, we go straight to her, we buy everything, and then she knocks off. So since the shutdown is coming tomorrow, today we're just gonna take everything that we can take. So if you are a woman selling in the streets, we're just gonna take everything that you're selling and we're gonna call it a day for you. I was busy packing things in the car. Yeah. Here's another one we're taking. Hi guys, we are still on the tip of buying everything that these women are selling in the street. We are not done. This is just the beginning. And they are knocking off. And the next target is here. Getting everything. Getting it all. We are buying everything right now. Take it. So guys, these peeps are really following because we've been buying things around. They following. Like, we've been giving them all the stock. So now they're following. They're really following. They don't want to go back, guys, because everything that we've been buying, we've been giving them. So now it's difficult for them to go back. They don't want to go back. They don't want to go back. I don't know why, but no. Hi guys, we are at the second location. And it is here at the taxi rank. Second location is here at the taxi rank. We're gonna start the buying thing. We're gonna buy everything that they're selling. We did that in CBD. Now we are here at this side, more Zanen Mall. There's the view, and it's on this way. We're gonna buy everything, give it to people. Everything that we buy, we give it to people. So yeah, let's go and do it. Location number 2. Taxi rank. Hey, Matsi. We are here at the Zaning taxi rank. We tried buying all of those things, but now the challenge we're facing is that these people, they keep on taking things we didn't pay for. So now it's becoming a problem. They take these things before we can even pay for them. So it's a problem. We're going to another location now. This one is not working out. And they're taking all this stuff, so we're leaving. But hey, we're not done. We'll find another location where we can work productively. So there was no order in here. There were too many people, and yeah, we just didn't have control over the situation. Moving to the next location. Guys, second location. Second location. Hi guys, we are back from our initiative of buying almost everything in town and everything, all of those things they are selling. So our challenge was that when we were buying, everything was just a mess. People were taking those things without us paying and all of those things. But all in all, it was a great day. We bought a lot of stuff. We bought so many things. And yeah, when the car comes here and you'll see all of those things we bought, and I don't know what is it that we're going to do with them. We were giving some things away. We were giving some things away. I don't know what we're going to do with the other ones. But hey, it was a great initiative and I'm so glad we did it. Monada Music did it.